Mistake is you follow people with hair that's not like your own. I said what I said. I am doing what the heck I am doing. I'm saying what the heck I said. Don't be like, Ukachi, that's not that, doesn't that, like, can't you support people that don't have hair like you? Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? Please subscribe, okay? By hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and notification bell beside. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys and telling you guys like 10 natural hair mistakes that you are making in your own natural hair journey. So without further ado, you know how we do. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to say this now. It's a disclaimer. I'm going to shake some tables, and some people might fall off tables, or tables might get shattered. And if it gets shattered, please go and climb on that table. Okay? So I have my notes here because it's a lot of stuff I'm going to talk about today. So the first thing I would say is, the first mistake that you're probably making is you don't know your hair porosity. Many people don't know their hair porosity, and I'm the porosity queen. I have a full porosity playlist linked here. And I've always been saying, if you don't know your hair porosity, I'm just joking in these terms, okay? Knowing your hair porosity would affect the way you apply products, will affect the products you buy, will affect the way you take care of your hair, will affect the way you style your hair, will affect the kind of way you apply it to your hair. So, not knowing your porosity, you just say, oh, I'll do LC or LOC. LOC might not be working for your hair, and you wouldn't know. You just think that, oh, maybe my hair is just slow at growing, or my hair is just slow at retaining length. Meanwhile, the fact that you don't know your porosity is hindering you from growing your hair or having healthy hair. And that is my mistake number one. If you don't know your hair porosity, you're making a mistake, okay? The next mistake is you don't let your hair be. I'm moving on this table, I'm falling off safe. I'm always thinking of which style to do next, but not letting your hair be would also affect the way your hair grows. It will affect your length retention. It will affect even your edges, because you're going to constantly be tugging and pulling and dragging and doing all these other stuff. I also have a video of how to regrow your edges. I'm going to have that link here since I talked about edges just now, so ensure you check that out after this video. But when you're constantly trying to do all the styles on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on YouTube, on Facebook, your hair is going to have it hard. Your hair will not have it easy. You're going to be struggling. The hair will be struggling, okay? And that would also hinder your hair from growing. So that is mistake number two, always messing with your hair. The third mistake is you follow people with hair that's not like your own. I said what I said. I am doing what the heck I am doing. I'm saying what the heck I said. Don't be like, Ukachi, doesn't that, like, can't you support people that don't have hair like yours? You can support them, but when you are supporting them more than people that have hair that is like yours, there's a problem. I watched a video of a lady. She did a head with how to grow your hair with oil and MSM kind of stuff. She had type 3A hair, 3A, 3B, and I went into the comments. I wanted to buy wild growth oil. That's why I clicked on the video, because it was a thumbnail. So let me just see. I shall went to the comments as per usual. All the just happens in the comments, okay? And the first comment I saw with about 513 likes was, where my 4C girls at? 513 likes. The person that did the video was a type 3A girl. But people that have 4C, 4B, 4C, their videos don't do as well. Instead, we 4C girls go and carry ourselves to go and watch people that have type 3 hair. And that will also affect your hair journey. To actually tell you why, because you keep on fantasizing and looking down on your hair. Fantasize that maybe if you buy all these products that these people have recommended to you, your hair will become like their own. Cultural reset, your hair won't become like that, okay? Sorry to bust your butt, but it won't be. And I'm shaking the table, please fall off if you're going to fall off. I said what I said. So when you don't follow people that have hair like yours, you constantly have the mindset that your hair is meant to be something that it can never be. I don't know if who is getting this preaching here. Those are the back shout, hallelujah. But for real, that's a mistake many of us are making. We keep on following people that have type 3A hair, 3B hair, 3C hair, 4A hair, and your hair is like 4C. In fact, some people's hair are like 4Z. So it's like, girl, what you doing? What you doing? You have 4C bloggers and vloggers, and you don't watch their videos. They want to watch a type 3A girl's hair, showing you how to apply the conditioner on her hair. What you doing? That's mistake number 3. The fourth mistake is your length goals are ridiculous. You cannot have hair that is up to your eyebrow. Say that your length goal for the end of the year is hair that is up to your stomach. Except if you want to buy with one or weave. Then yeah, that makes sense. But when you are going to grow your hair, if you want to grow your hair, if you want your hair retain length, you have to set realistic goals. I'm always saying my goal is waist length. Other one now, koto meow. my goal is probably like somewhere below bra strap for like this year, and that's my goal for the year. My waist length is like my bum length is like my end length. Okay, so yeah, setting unrealistic goals just makes you look down on your hair. Like saying that your hair is here, you want your hair to get to here in 1 month. With what? You constantly be looking down and this hair is not great. Even if the hair should get here, you will disregard the growth from here to here because your hair is not here yet. I don't know who gets this point, but it's what it is. Okay, so that's mistake number 4. Your length goals are very ridiculous, and that's a mistake many of us make as naturalistas. The 5th thing I would say, the 5th mistake many of us make is we don't use a quality deep conditioner. I'm not a fan of DIY deep conditioners. I said what I said. If it's helping you to grow, congratulations. I said what I said. Too bad. I just don't believe in. You can DIY every other thing. You can DIY your oil, DIY your shampoo. If I DIY your own curl cream, DIY your own gel, but deep conditioner, I'm not a fan of DIY deep conditioner. So yeah, there are good DIY recipes out there. People are going there with DIY recipes, not me. Okay, so personally, you can use a shitty shampoo, you can use a shitty anything, but don't use a deep conditioner. If you want to use a deep conditioner, make sure that it's very good, it's quality. It doesn't have to be so expensive. I have a top 5 favorite deep conditioners. They won't have a link here, and all the deep conditioners on that list are actually like quality stuff. I don't like playing my deep conditioners. If my deep conditioner is going to do me, I feel like it's not quality enough for me, I'll just let it slide. To be very honest, I'll just stop using it, because this baby needs all the tender love and care. Okay. So not investing in like a good deep conditioner is another mistake many of us make. The next thing is you let your hair dry out. People always say moisturize your hair, moisturize your hair, moisturize your hair. It's now sounding so redundant. But if everyone is saying moisturize your hair, and I know moisturizing your hair, don't you think that the problem is you? I have done a high porosity hair video because I'm high porosity, and I legit said high porosity needs an anti-dryness regimen. So you didn't wait for your hair to dry out, because dryness is equivalent to breakage. Once your hair gets dry, the next is going to break. So not moisturizing your hair is a problem. It's going to be a problem or a mistake you are making as a naturalista. Or saying I'll moisturize once a week because that's where porosity now comes in place. You don't know if you're porosity. You don't know your porosity, but let's say you're medium to high porosity. You're now moisturizing once a week. On which head? That is a mistake. That's a problem we are going to encounter in your hair journey. It's a mistake, so please correct it, okay? The next mistake many of us make is we follow trends. Bam. Let me say this. Trends are for the influencers and bloggers to follow, so that you learn from their mistakes. So when Shebe comes out, don't rush and go and buy Shebe. You can never be late if you think, as long as you're not a blogger, you're not an influencer, you don't do social media, you're not a trader of hair products. Anytime you see a trend, first calm down. Let's see, wait and see what the influencers and bloggers and vloggers are going to do with this product. Because once a trend starts, the price of the products first spike. Shea butter was selling for 5,000 naira at 1.5k. Then you can make shea butter in your house with shea butter 15 naira and shea of 1,000. That 1,015 naira, you can make full jar of shea butter. You first calm down. When you're going to jump on trends, you take a chill pill first. Shea came, we all jumped. Which other one? Rice water came, we all dived. We dived into the water. After first it was coconut oil. Oh, coconut oil was selling for 2.5. Then 2016, 2017, coconut oil was selling for 2.5. 3k for coconut oil, very small bottle. We all bought coconut oil. Then Shebe came, we all bought Shebe. Then people that started making Shebe butter, inventor of Shebe butter, we all bought Shebe butter. Then rice water, I think rice water came next. We all dived into rice water. Now grease, petroleum jelly is the next thing. You know what's so fun about petroleum jelly? Some brands that started making packaged petroleum jelly and now calling it their own natural hair grower. Following trends will only make you broke. I'm serious, and it will actually affect the way your hair grows name goes, because you are going to leave what has been working for you to try what might not work for you. Rice water that many people rushed into did not work for them. They all rushed out the same way they rushed in. You know, on my channel, like, I used to use rice water as like this, I did not dedicate. It was the grammar. I did not use rice water on my hair like diligently, like so she say, well, I want to make sure that it goes my. I'm just feeling like, oh, so let's put rice water tomorrow, let's put rice water, let's tomorrow leave it, next time tomorrow, that kind of thing. I did not use that spy gang stuff. So people will ask me, what rice water should I use? I'm like, I don't know. I can't comment on that. No comments. So rushing into trends, trying to follow all the trends, follow shaving. How many of you still have shaving in your house? After rushing to buy shaving. So many of us actually end up leaving all these trends after a while, and by that time we have already set our hair growth back by some few months, weeks to months. So personally, I would just say following trends is actually another mistake that many of us make in a natural hair journey. The next mistake is you're constantly comparing your hair. Comparison is let me give you, this is a quote from Ukachi, comparison is a bastard. Comparison is a thief of joy. Comparison will steal your joy. You can be growing, I said it before, your hair can grow from here to here. But the fact that you saw someone's hair grow from here to here to here, you start like undermining your own growth because you see someone that has more growth than you, and comparing your hair is just going to have you messed up. I know people that have hair that's younger than my hair, in quotes. My hair is like 4 years and 2 or 3 months, and their hair is like 2 years and it's the same length as my hair. That is for 2 years. My hair was catching cruise, but I actually don't care. Bruh, now I don't care. I was never like the biggest person on comparison, but like comparison will steal your joy. Comparing your hair is before you even start your journey, it's already a mistake you are making. If you have like, if you know you like compare yourself a lot, then don't follow these people on social media. If my hair is making you feel somehow, my dear, don't watch my videos. Listen to my videos. Don't watch it. Okay? Be subscribed though. Don't watch. Just listen. Okay? Yeah. So comparing your hair is also another mistake that you're making in your hair journey. Next thing is you don't invest in quality products. Because the product is cheap doesn't make it good. Also, because the product is expensive doesn't make it good. Try to aim for quality. Try to invest your money in quality stuff. Put your money where your hair growth is. Put your money where your mouth is, okay? Don't play yourself. Don't buy, oh, it's cheap. The shampoo is 100 naira. Let me quickly buy it. Don't do that to yourself. Or the shampoo is 5.5. You can do all, you can grow your hair. Don't do that to yourself, okay? Invest your money in quality stuff. There are many Nigerian brands that offer quality products. There are many international brands that offer quality products. There are many made in Nigeria international brands that offer quality products. So please don't play yourself. I have a playlist here of my fave products, like at the moment of my hair journey. So you should check it out in case you're looking for what to buy, considering, oh, should I buy this? Yeah, check the playlist out, okay? And the last mistake you are making is you're not subscribed to my channel. You've watched the video, you've watched me talk for almost 10 minutes. You have gotten to the 30 minutes. You are still watching and you're not subscribed. That's a mistake on your path. Correct that damn mistake right now. So I'm going to subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe! I don't know where this spirit comes from. I'm very sorry, but for real, subscribe to my channel. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned anything or two. It was such a over the place kind of video, but I really enjoyed a few minutes, okay? So subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Kachi, except TikTok, where I'm Natural Kachi. I'm joining to 100 followers on TikTok, guys. Baby, come give me something. Who? For you guys, subscribe to my channel. Follow me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that God is watching you, so give him a good show. Bye. Sometimes I feel like I just want to relax and be taken care of.